Hello everyone. When you log into Seesaw, this is the screen that you will see. Now yours will look a little bit different than mine the first time you log in because you won't have any posts yet in this area. Your journal should have no posts. So I have posts because there are already students submitted work because I wanted you to see this and be familiar with what it will look like throughout the course of your year. So we're going to talk about the basic setup of Seesaw and what you can do, how to use the website. We'll start in the top left corner and work our way around. Over here you will see the teacher's name, and if you click on it you will see all the classes assigned to that teacher. Now if you have more classes, like several grade levels or several sections of a class, you'll be able to see all of those here. You can also use the settings to sign out or change any account information. So right beside it, we have the Messages feature. Now Messages is new to Seesaw, and I personally do not use it because I use email with teachers, but you could use it to communicate with parents if desired. Most teachers prefer not to because they have email with parents and they don't want another messaging app to keep track of. So that is up to you to explore on your own. Next, we have this library of activities, and I'm going to press it to show you what the resource library looks like when you first log in. There's lots of different tabs. We're going to explore this more in another module. We'll explore all of these tabs and you'll get to learn how to use them. But for right now, when you need to exit the resource module or resource library, you press this X. Alright, so we should be back on the journal, and this page that you see when you first sign in is your classroom journal. This is where all of your students' work is submitted and posted. You can press it over here on this journal tab. The other functions that you have over here include the activities, where you can assign activities to your students on specific content, either language arts like this, long I spelling, or math place value. Next tab is notifications, where you can see parents' involvement, students that have added work, and see how to approve items for your class. And last tab is progress, so you can track which students have completed which assignments for the past few weeks. So if we go back to journal, you'll see in the journal that each student has their own individual journal that you can click on and pull up just their work. This could be very helpful for parent-teacher conferences. At the bottom, whenever you have posts that need to be approved, you will see this red bar that says Review Post. If you press it, it will bring you to the post, and you can either approve it, send it back for the student to revise it, or delete it. The other functions on here include liking it, commenting, or putting it in a folder of work. You can see that this one is already labeled in the reading folder. And as you scroll through your posts, you can approve all of them if you want to. However, I suggest individually looking at your students' work so you are paying attention to the work that they produce. The final part we're going to cover in this video is this green Add button. This green Add button allows the teacher to do two things. You can assign an activity like we did from that resource library before, so that will take you back to that resource library. You can also post student work. Now, this is the menu that students will see when they press the green button. They only have this option. They do not have the assign activity option. So in the next module, we'll get more in depth into these ways that students can submit work via photo, drawing, video, upload, note, or link. But for right now, you just need to know how to access it and how to get out of it. When you get out of it, it takes you back to the Activities tab. This is a good thing to see what activities you have assigned, what you have scheduled for the upcoming week, and what you have archived. So you can archive, schedule, and go ahead and assign activities for your students. If you want to get back to the classroom journal, all you have to do is press Journal, and it will take you back to all of the students' work that you have already approved. That's all that we have for today, learning the basics of the Seesaw functions. Take some time to explore this website and how it works, and then take the quiz that we have planned for you to make sure that you know how to use the website well. Thank you.